Good day and welcome to the Mercedes W116 channel. We're gonna fix a very common problem, is this, that emblem always loses its paint. So we're gonna try to fix this. We are now gonna remove this from the grill. For this you're gonna take a spanner of 8 or a tube like this one, and you will remove it from behind. What we will need for this job? Well, I will use a little helping hand like that. I think the job will be more steady that way. I will use some white paint. I will use some blue paint. I think the correct color is royal blue, but I'm not sure. And obviously some brushes. Try to take them as fine as possible to fill all this. So once it's clean, what we're gonna start with? Personally, I will start with the star. That will be the easiest one. So I'll paint it in white, and then after we'll go for the blue. I've done the white part, that's good. Now I will go for the blue, which seems like it's going to be quite difficult, but we have to try, okay? Then after I'll possibly, highly likely will give another coat. Here I've got a small problem, it marked blue here, but when I open it, it's actually silver. Well, not much of a luck. I've now found some light blue, so it's not the color. I would like it to be a bit darker, but anyway, it's better than nothing, so I will go for this one. I think the blue is rather hard to do, so what I do, I paint completely over, and then I will wipe the excess on top of the letters. I think that will be the best for me. So like that, it will be, the paint will be all over the place where it needs to be, and it will be much easier to wipe the top after. That's it, it's now done, as you can see. So all I need to do now is to remove the excess on the letters, and it should be okay. I've now finished my second layer, and what I'm gonna do now with this, a knife, is slightly remove what has been painted over, and then we should be done. That's it, it's now painted, it's all done. I hope that you can see it. I'm quite happy with the results, even though the color is not exactly as it should be. And now all I need to do is to place it back on the car. That's it, my friend, it's now fitted and all fixed. I hope that you have liked the video. If you wish to subscribe to the channel, please do so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care of yourself, ciao.